Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how to make Boho Goddess braids and also how to maintain it, because my daughter carried this hair for 3 weeks and it was still looking beautiful until she took it down. Also, it was made with her natural hair. There was no extension added to it and it still came out great. So boho braids is braids that when braiding your hair, you take some parts out, and the purpose is to make your hair look fuller and coilier, because the part that you're taking out, you're going to put gel on it and make it coily. And it's just a style, but it's simply braid, just like what I'm doing. So you braid the hair and take some parts out, and then you put edge control or gel on that part to coil it up. So I'm going to share with you how she was able to maintain it. She is 11 years old and she was able to carry this hair for 3 weeks and she loved it. I hope you like it too. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So once again, you braid and take some hair out. For her, I did 3 for each braids, and that was fine because I didn't want to do it too much. Just 3 is fine. And plus the length of her hair is not even ideal to do too much of it. So this is how it is. And I will just put edge control on those hair that was taken out, and it curls up. If you are still watching, thank you so much. Please remember to like the video if you like the braids. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you like Boho Goddess braids on natural hair? I think it's beautiful. It's just that there's no added hair to it. And I love trying new hairstyles on a natural hair with no added hair to it, because every hairstyle is beautiful and is especially beautiful, more beautiful when you make it with your natural hair, because some people don't just like to make a particular style with their natural hair, they have to add hair to it. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So we are almost done. Yes, I said she was able to carry this hair for 3 weeks, she was able to maintain it. What she did was to refresh it with gel every morning when she's going out to school or when she's going to church, and it was fine. So this was the finished look the following day. See the coils popping, and it makes the hair fuller and so beautiful as well. I love the finished look, and she loved it too, and she was so happy. She asked me to make this hair for her. She was so excited. So this was the second week. You can still see the hair looking shiny, the coils popping, and I believe that it wasn't a bad idea to make this hair for her. It was beautiful. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.